Welcome to another video on the Duolingo English Test Practice channel. Today, we're diving into the read and complete task. This task pops up 3 to 6 times per test session, and you've got 3 minutes to tackle it. In the read and complete task, you'll see a passage with some words missing letters, and your job is to type those missing letters to complete the text. It's not just about guessing words, it's about analyzing the text, understanding the context, and using your grammar skills to get it right. So, let's break it down and explore some strategies to help you nail this task. First, take a moment to understand the whole passage. Before you jump into filling in the blanks, quickly read through the entire passage. Getting a feel for the main idea and structure will clue you in on what types of words are missing and what they might be. It's like getting a map before starting a journey. It saves time and keeps you on track. Next, use contextual clues to figure out those blanks. The surrounding text is full of hints. Look at the sentences before and after each blank to pick up on the meaning, grammar, and logical flow. For instance, if the passage is about something that already happened, you'll know to stick with past tense verbs. Also, watch for clues like whether a noun should be singular or plural. It all helps you deduce the right answer. Then, make sure to apply vocabulary and grammar accurately. The words you fill in need to fit grammatically and be spelled correctly. Think about verb tenses, whether you need an adjective or an adverb, and double-check that everything aligns with the sentence. Precision is key here. After that, review the completed passage. Once you've filled in all the blanks, read through the whole thing again to confirm it makes sense. The passage should feel coherent and logical, with each word flowing naturally into the next. This step catches any slip-ups and ensures your answers hold up. Finally, manage your time effectively. With only 3 minutes, you've got to work quickly but smartly. Don't get hung up on a tricky blank. Move on and circle back if there's time. Leave a few seconds at the end to skim your answers and make sure you're good to go. Now, let's put these strategies to work with a sample exercise. Here's the passage, titled By and Marty's New York Dream. In the real task, some letters in this passage would be missing, and you'd type them in to complete the words. You may pause this video and try to complete the words with missing letters. Alright, welcome back. Let's analyze how you'd approach it. The title, By and Marty's New York Dream, hints that this is a story about their goal of living in New York. The first sentence sets it up. Ibai dreams of New York but can't afford it yet, so he settles for a cheaper place nearby. By the end, we see the happy ending. They save enough money to make it happen. As you fill in the blanks, you'd notice common word pairings like worked long hours and saved most of his earnings. These are natural combinations that can guide your choices. There are also fixed expressions like hoping to and be able to, which signal hope and possibility. In the sentence about Marty, roommate and best friend is a classic noun pairing, and words like so and also show how his actions connect to Abai's. The passage sticks to the past tense throughout. Verbs like had and were tell you that any verbs you fill in should follow suit. By keeping an eye on these details, you can confidently complete the blanks and make the passage whole again. So, to wrap it all up, the read and complete task is about seeing the big picture, using context to guide you, and locking in your grammar and vocab skills. Time management and a quick review will seal the deal. With these strategies, you're ready to take on this task like a pro on the Duolingo English test. Want to master it? Try these tips on a practice passage. You can find sample exercises on the DT Practice website, which you can find in the comment below this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and practice to boost your skills. See you next time.